your channel?
The Organized Soprano.
The Organized Soprano. I like that.
Yeah, it's about
Shout
cleaning.
out.
It has nothing to do with Pokemon Go and stuff like that.
I mean,
you know
you
what?
could
Hey,
pick up after your Pokemon, right?
There you go. Clean after your Pokemon. Good morning. It's Veda day 8, and it's about almost 11 o'clock. We've been kind of sitting around all morning. Clover's really anxious to get to the park. Did you just put your ball under the table? There it is. He's been bringing me toys for the last like 20 minutes, just like non-stop. He got, oh, there goes the ball. Look at the trail of toys that he has been bringing me. There's the cow there. I think there's some in the bedroom also. Oh yeah, there's this little skunky guy. So we're gonna clean up the toys and we're gonna go to the park because he's feeling very playful this morning, but I just been trying to get ready and all that stuff because we're gonna go to the park and then we're gonna go replace this couch. Yeah, just put these in here for now. Here you go. So I was at the dog park for 3 hours. He was playing with like all kinds of dogs, but instead of going to West Elm, which I didn't really feel like doing, let's be honest, I didn't feel like shopping. I'm going to Boston Public Gardens to go to a Pokemon Go meetup with the Pokemon Go YouTuber Mystic7. I got a reminder on my phone about it. I heard it on Twitter. I'm like, there's gonna be people doing raids in Boston Public Gardens, and I don't have any legendary Pokemon, and you know what? This is one of my only days off, so I'm gonna take advantage. I'm gonna go and hang out with some little kids, maybe some adults, and catch some Pokemon there.
This is 100% IB Sid. Oh, hit it. There it is. 100% IB Sid. 1142. This will be like almost maxed out too in CP. This is actually really. I want to see how high in CP. It's another banner.
This is another maxed out north here, but it's only just like it's like 90 or 80.
Oh, just 90. It sucks.
Like,
Pikachu. You're a wild Pikachu. Are you shiny?
Wild Charmander too.
Madison the Pikachu. That's awesome. I'm gonna do that one.
Was that a Charmander?
Oh.
That's the way it is. He's so happy. He's like, oh.
You got Madison the Pikachu.
Oh, look at she drew a little pseudo. Oh my god, so cute.
and then her shy sister did Snorlax.
Perfect. Oh, what was your name?
That's Adeline.
Adeline? Alright. And then you are a...
Charmander.
There it is.
That's a Charmander.
Oh, that's Charmander.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness.
And then AR. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Actually, hold right there.
I think so.
Oh, he's not an easy. He's in the palm of your hand. Oh wow. All right. Just. Yep. Got him right in the foot, right in the Mew foot. Beautiful. This is a difficult screen to see. Okay.
You want to take a photo with that? I need to
Gosh. Yeah. Do you want like a?
You want a photo with me?
Yeah. Sure. Shoot. Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
figure out. Yeah. Is he in my hands? Should I make like an LEA face?
Well, hey,
what up, vlog? How we doing? out here in Boston.
Mystic7!
What's up?
Crazy, right?
It's an awesome day.
I'm very excited to meet you. I'm like your oldest fan, probably.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I have had elderly people come up and
Really?
Yes.
Really?
So you are not the
Okay,
oldest.
cool,
Yeah. Don't you worry.
No,
Don't you worry.
I watch you every day, dude. I'm like so into it. All right.
Shout out. What's your channel?
The Organized Soprano.
The Organized Soprano. I like that.
Yeah, it's about
Shout
cleaning.
out.
It has nothing to do with Pokemon Go and stuff like that.
I mean,
you know
you
what?
could
Hey,
pick
it's
up
all
after your
good.
Pokemon, right?
There you go. Clean after your Pokemon. There you go. Right.
Awesome.
Thanks, Brandon.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
There you go. Come in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in.
I got mine from my dad. Oh, you did? So lucky. You need one excellent.
That's a tap right there.
I'm so bad at excellence. I like can't.
You?
I'm so bad.
There he is.
Yeah, I was in a little Yeah, also did that. Oh yeah, that's how I met my best friend.
All right, I'm on my way to get some food right now. I just really wanted to meet Mystic7 and just have some fun with some people playing Pokemon Go. That was really the point, and I'm really happy that I did that. It was a spur-of-the-moment decision, but it was really fun. I had to leave because I was getting super hungry, and I just wanted to go get some food, but I've got kind of a new attitude going where I just, if I have the opportunity to do something kind of fun, and it seems like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I'm just gonna go ahead and try my darndest to do it, because life is so short. I know I keep saying this in a lot of videos, but I just don't want to have any regrets at the end of my life, you know? Like, I want to say that I've done all the fun things, I've taken all the fun opportunities, and I just feel really good about all the fun I had today. It was so fun. I'm gonna go find some food, and I will see you guys later. Alright, so it's almost 6 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go to my friend's house to film the podcast. This lighting's not good. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to my friend's house to film the podcast. Did I say film? Record the podcast. If you didn't know, I do like a comedy podcast every Sunday. It's just something my friend and I do together. It's called the Dereck and Kay Show. It's really dumb. Not dumb, but it's dumb as in like we make dumb jokes. That's what we do for an hour. We just make dumb jokes, and it leaves us less stressed. So for the whole week we feel less stressed, and we have like all these memories to call back. Anyway, it's fun. So I'm gonna feed Mr. Clobean. Hey, are you hungry? Do you want to practice some tricks though before you eat? Yeah, not really. Too bad. All right, you want to do some tricks? Come here. Come here right here. Can you sit? Yes. Good. Down? Yes. Good. Shake? Oops, shake? Yes. Good. Wait, come here. Hey, speak. Okay, I'll take it. All right, you want to do a hard one? Come here. Okay, come here. Come here. All right. I know you're very excited for dinner. Hey, Bubba. Roll over. Almost. Roll over. What was that? Roll over. Roll over. Oh, yay! Wait. Can you wait? Wait. Okay.
Oh, these maybe.
Did you already try to put headphones on?
I don't know, yeah,
And you had them on already?
Almost put them on twice.
That would have been that. I wish I had been privy to that. To us live on the air, or you can scroll down on blogtalkradio.com and join us in our chat room. Right now we got RJ Gumby in there from the Possum Hour, which is live on Blog Talk Radio. It is like basically our sister show.
I like to think of them as that, yeah.
They're live Mondays and Fridays
Uh-huh.
at 10 p.m., which is too late for me, frankly.
Um,
Why do you like pressing thumbs down on YouTube videos? Why do you like doing that?
well,
Do
if
you do it on mine?
No,
Okay.
I've only given you thumbs up.
Okay,
Jay.
good.
No, I mean, if you...
But why do you like pressing the dislike button? By the way, which doesn't do anything. It helps the creator because it counts as engagement.
Oh, even if it's thumbs down?
Yeah,
Oh.
it doesn't. It's not like Reddit where you can like thumbs down and like it goes down in the search or whatever.
Okay, well, I
It's
don't
like
know.
YouTube likes it. They're like, ooh, thumbs down,
It was
fine.
something.
Yeah, because they want the viewer to react somehow. And if you reacted, you press thumbs down, you did something, so they like that. The algorithm likes that.
Uh-huh,
Not
okay.
YouTube likes that, but,
Well, but
it just hurts the feelings of the creator. That's all.
Okay, well then that's fine.
So why
That's-
you press
Well,
thumbs down? Why
I mean,
you
if it's like
why
a
you do that?
if it's like a poor ass video, like it's kind of like useless. Like that one we saw. What was that one with the kids?
There's a creator lately that I've recently just been giving thumbs down to, like all the time. Like it's somebody I'm subscribed to
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
because they're putting out crap
Yeah.
content.
Well, that's what I'm.
Is that
that's what I'm
mean?
sa- No,
That's
that's
like
what I was
instrument-
saying. That's
Yeah.
why I do it. I'm like, this video. It's not entertaining. It's not useful. It's
Yeah.
Or they're wrong about something.
Or if it's like hurtful,
Yeah,
or if it's
so
like,
they're gonna get a thumbs down.
or if it's like deliberately trolling and it's not funny, you know, like I'm like, why are you
Yeah.
trolling? Like if you're making videos, and this one creator that I'm talking about right
Mm-hmm.
now is making videos, and like they will get like 200 likes and like 900 dislikes,
Right.
like on every single video. That. In that case, I think the dislikes matter because that sends a signal to the creator or sends a signal to YouTube that, hey, this video either sucks or like something's wrong with the content. It's not just people bullying,
Right.
you know? Like,
because nobody's liking
because
it.
no one likes it.
Yeah.
I feel like a bad person now. I mean, but I do.
We watch
Like
videos,
sometimes.
we've watched so many videos we hate on the show.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's how like Friday took off. No one liked that video. Wait a minute. So like Friday, let's see. Did that video Rebecca Black, okay.
Yeah. Wow.
But here's the dislike ratio to the like ratio. It's got 798,000 likes, but 3.1 million dislikes.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought that's a lot more than I thought.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Like, so, but that video was, I think that the dislikes count as engagement, and it tells YouTube, hey, something's going on with this video. It's either good or bad. So, like, it'll, like, push the video out. And people were like, oh, I hate this video. Dislike. Then it'll just serve the video to more people. So, if you really hate a video or you hate a creator and you want the video to, like, not do anything, just don't do anything at all. Just click off of it. Don't watch it. And don't comment.
There you go.
But because of the engagement, I think this video like took off. Anyway, that is my YouTube spiel for the day. And this video has terrible tags. Rebecca, Black, Friday, official, original, music, video, fun, we, so, excited, songwriter, singer. Those tags are terrible.
Oh, that's pretty-
so accurate.
Gumpy's on the line? Do you want to talk to
Oh,
us?
Gumpy's on the line. I did recognize that,
Did he
that
wanna talk
area
to
code.
us?
Does he want to talk to us? Are we doing a show next week?
Next week we're doing a show.
Fantastic. It's also Clover's parasite meds. That's also on my calendar. So
What's that?
that's what I give him is like Simparica and stuff.
Slow.
Wow.
but
10 seconds.
2 weeks we're not doing a show.
All right, that's
Yeah.
fine.
All right.
All right. Well, thanks for listening.
All right. Take care.
See you later.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay, you guys, I am home from the show. Clover is all ready for bed. It's like 8:40 and I still haven't edited and uploaded the video. So I have 3 hours to do it and then it still counts as Veda. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna have to pre-film some videos because I just need to get ahead for Veda because it's not sustainable the way that it is right now with me like uploading like and filming on the same day. So I hope you guys don't mind that I will pre-film a couple of videos. It still counts if I publish every day, even if it's not filmed every day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay neat. I hope you all had a great day and I love you all.